Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mystic Sonia, and I hope you guys are doing well. And this is the time where we'll do a sun sign reading. So the sun sign for today is Aries. Let's see what you people have got, the energies which are there. Please stick here. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. All the Arians out there. Okay, let's see what the cards are saying about you Aries people, the fire sign. What's going on? What are the messages from the angels, from the universe? Okay, I'll pull out few cards from this pile. Okay. Okay. I think 4 out of 6 cards here suggest me that there is something which is stopping you guys to move forward. It could be something related to your career or finances. It could be something related to your family life or relationship. There is something where an action is required. Something where you have to take the next step and you are not able to take that next step because this card control, the card morality, the card trust, adventure, all of these cards are telling me that you should just go ahead with this thing where you are holding yourself on to. If it is a relationship, if it is a communication which has to happen, a message which has to be sent, a call which has to be made, please do it. Do not stop yourself here by thinking and overthinking of the pros and cons of the situations, because action is in your control, the results aren't. And these cards are telling me to take action. You don't have to sit in that lazy mode and think about the situations which are not even there right now. Until and unless you move forward, how would you know that the situation is going to turn into good or bad? You don't know that, because the control card here shows me clearly that you are ready with your chariot to move forward. But what is stopping you is a lot of emotions here which are making you think that is it good or bad? Should I go ahead? Should I talk to her? Should I take this decision? Should I move? All of these things will only come into function, come into life when you take that first step. Right now you are not taking that first step. Please move ahead. Have your complete trust in your powers, in the powers which you yourself has. Until unless you do that, the divine powers will not be able to help you at all, because here the master card shows me that whatever step you are going to take is going to turn into gold. You are blessed. This card is telling me you are blessed. You have all the confirmation from the universe to move ahead with this thing and give it a life. Give it a form. Let it come into energy and just see the wonders which you will have. Do not hold yourself with what your other people are saying, what your friends are saying, what your family is saying. No, this is not the time to listen to others. It's a time to listen to your gut feeling and just moving forward with it. And it could be as I said earlier, it could be a business call which you have to make, a new project you have to start, a new relationship which is to be formed. It could be about expressing your feelings also. But all I want to say is please move ahead. And there is unlimited possibilities with whatever step you're going to take next. And it will be so 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 good for you, that I am sure you will never regret taking this decision ever, because the divine power is with you. That divine power is telling me, or is guiding you to just move ahead. Let those things not bother you or not stop you for whatever step you're going to take. So I think that is the primary advice which I want to tell you, all the Arians who are watching this video right now. I think this is meant for you. Please go ahead with this decision of yours and see how beautiful it turns out to be. Thank you so much, guys.